Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed Infiniti Q50 coolant. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and ensure proper fluid expansion. Gather your essential tools, including a spill-free funnel, a drain pan, and the correct type of new coolant. Park your Infiniti Q50 on a level surface for accurate readings. Finally, locate both the radiator cap and the coolant reservoir before proceeding to the next steps. Now, attach your spill-free funnel securely to the radiator neck. Begin slowly filling the system with the recommended coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 blend of distilled water and antifreeze. As you fill, repeatedly squeeze both the upper and lower radiator hoses. This action helps to dislodge trapped air pockets, which you will see as bubbles rising through the funnel. Continue this process until the coolant level stabilizes. With the funnel still attached, start the engine and immediately set your cabin heater to its maximum heat and fan speed. Allow the engine to run until it reaches its normal operating temperature, indicated by the temperature gauge. During this time, the thermostat will open, and you will observe more air bubbles escaping through the funnel. Continuously monitor and maintain the coolant level in the funnel, adding more as needed to keep it full. Once the engine has run for about 15 to 20 minutes and no more bubbles appear, turn it off. Allow the engine to cool completely before removing the spill-free funnel and securely replacing the radiator cap. Check the coolant reservoir level and fill it to the max line if needed. Finally, perform a thorough inspection for any leaks around all hoses and connections to ensure a successful bleed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.